it is time that we stopped believing in the fake news and in the propaganda that is hurting our nation.
What is there to be happy about, Mr. President? Now, according to Senator Richard Onyoka, it is wrong for the president to say that what has been going on around the country is propaganda.
Let me ask this, Ayub. What wonderful news does my president want me to talk about him? Just give me two things and I'll talk about them today. What is it that I will talk about him?
Now, the senator is urging for the president to give us something to be happy about, because clearly nothing seems to be working. Not the new university funding model, not the social health insurance. In short, the country is in big trouble. Now, what about the rampant ongoing abductions?
When Mexico started collapsing, before the current regime came into power, you had people being abducted by drug lords and warlords. If you disagreed with people politically, you were picked from your house and you were taken over and the body is discovered. There were mass graves. This cannot be the template that our country can follow.
Now, he adds that this is what led to the downfall of regimes, like in the case of Mexico, where hired gangs and groups were used to capture people with different political stance. And that is what we have been seeing in the country. People abducted and they go missing, some even found dead. Now, do you agree with this analysis from Senator Onyoka? And if not, what is it that you are happy about in the country?